According to the Guinness Book of World Records, Jamaica has the most churches per square mile. And today we're going to see if that holds true. I'm going to walk from Duke Street to Dome Street. Let's see how many churches we see on our way. Our first church is to our right, St. John Methodist Church. Duke Street is off Humber Avenue. It's one of Montego Bay's back streets. So St. John Methodist to our left, and I see a car wash over to our right. Not sure if, let's see if there are any more churches along this street. We're coming up on Queen Street. We are coming up on Queen Street shortly, and we are going to turn onto Queen Street to go down to Dome Street. Jamaica has many historic churches, most of which feature Georgian architecture, but many of our new churches depart from this traditional building style, as is expected. And right here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, you may even find churches, upstairs stores, and in other less traditional buildings. Let's see in this short walk if Jamaica truly has the most churches per square mile. Try come in under the umbrella. Health center up there, so over at church.
At the church is in there.
Yeah, I assume. So just one church so far, but we haven't walked too far. So let's see if we're going to see any soon. Show another church coming up too.
Where's church?
No, that church there. That's a Church of Christ meets here. Check. Oh, another church is there. Stop there. Queen Street Apostolic House of Prayer and They really were when they say about churches in Jamaica, you know. I didn't see First Church down there, so.
I'm pretty sure. First church open by in Jamaica.
That's what I said. I want other churches to say so. Yeah. See that? The glorious Church of Jesus Christ and the Apostles' Faith Worldwide. You see how many churches? Side by side? And then right in front of us, straight ahead there, we have First Church of the Open Bible on Dome Street. And then if you go up Water Lane, the road beside First Church, there's another church there. So I guess Jamaica really has the most churches per square mile. What do you think?